This is gonna get you fit. This is gonna get you that V cut. This is gonna get you that big ass butt that all them women want. Pause. Pause. First, what you gotta do is wash your hands. You stupid bitch. We're gonna marinate the chicken, right? We're gonna do a little seasonings and we got some herbs in our marinade. So the first set of the seasonings is salt, pepper, this smoked blend from Trader Joe's. Just look at the label, try to find that. Paprika is a good alternative if you don't have Trader Joe's in your crib. Onion powder, minced oregano, and oil, canola oil, by the way. We're gonna mix and marinate that for 30 minutes. Put it in the fridge, do whatever, leave it cold 30 minutes, you'll be straight. We can either do the mango habanero sauce or we can do our sweet potatoes. If you know from the basics on our website, you know you have to do the longer version first and the shorter version. What takes long is that damn potato. You gotta cut all them shits and up and all that. We're gonna do the potato first, right? So boom. With the potatoes, we're gonna wash them, but we're not gonna peel them. We're gonna leave the skins on. Go back to my French fries video. The best 3 ways on how to make French fries. I'll go in depth on how to get the fries going, feel me? Here's the quick version. Cut the potato in half, 1/8 of an inch planks, 1/8 of an inch fries. Simple as that, right? We got our fries right here. We're gonna use the same seasonings as we used in the chicken within our fries. Toss it, put it aside. Simple as that. Now, for your mango jalapeno sauce. I know it's mango habanero, nigga. I use jalapeno. Get off my dick. Still tastes good. Feel me? So boom. We're gonna peel and rough chop our mango. It doesn't have to be fine diced. It doesn't have to be, you know what I'm saying, just jalapenos now. Cut the tops off, cut it alongside the flesh, remove the seeds, rough chop it, put it aside. Now, we got some shallots here, small diced shallots, feel me? Then we got some garlic, mince the garlic, feel me? You straight. We're gonna put our shallots first in the saute pan, cooking until translucent on medium heat. Then we're gonna do our garlics, and then we're gonna add our mangoes and jalapenos. Our sugar, then we're gonna add our oregano, a half a squeeze of lime. We're gonna season with salt and apple cider vinegar. Saute that until it gets a deep color. We're gonna blend all of it together. Add some little water to it, maybe like a 1/4 cup of water. Blend it up. Simple as that. You got some fine sauce right here. Taste it. If it needs salt, salt it to taste. You know what I'm saying? This part depends on you, on how you like your salt, how you like your pepper. But that's the sauce itself. Fire. Feel me? Now, all we gotta do is watch this promotional video. Hey guys, I've been doing YouTube for so long, so just please subscribe. Nigga, hey you, listen to me. Come here, nigga. Hit that like button. By the way, since I know everything food, right? I wanna give all the knowledge to you for free. On my website, there's a subscribe form. Put your email in. Simple as that. Link in the description. I give you tips on how to make money with food. I give you tips on how to impress the significant other with food. And I give you tips to keep your body in shape, to lose weight, or to even bulk. It's so simple and it's for free. So, subscribe form is right here. Link in the description. All we gotta do is cook everything. In the pan, put your marinated chicken in that bitch, put it in the oven. Put your seasoned sweet potato fries in the pan, put it in the oven. Simple as that. You're gonna cook these bitches on 425 degrees. Put them in the oven for about 30 minutes. Cook them, and then halfway, just shake up your chicken. Make sure the other side gets brown. When you bake it in an oven that has no like fan going on, the dry heat rises from the bottom, so you're only gonna get 1 layer of brown skin. Shake up the chicken, flip it on the other side. Just make sure each side gets that brown color. Same with your fries, feel me? Take it out. Now look at these beauts. Look at these beauts. You see the seasoned chicken, beautiful. You see the seasoned fries, beautiful. Put your cooked chicken in the bowl, put in that sauce on the chicken. Toss it a bit, here comes the plating. This is the fancy part, right? We're gonna get fancy real quick. You got your sauce, pour it a little bit on, grab a spoon, create a circle around it. Build a pyramid of wings, little by little, till you get your top layer. It gets the height. Same with your potatoes. Layers after layers after layers till you get that height. It's time for the garnish. I put a little extra sauce on it because it looked kind of dry to me. That's up to you. Depends on how you toss your chicken. Thinly slice them the biased scallions straight in the middle. We covered that little entrance point, that little mid-negative space right there. Cover that with a little lime wedge. We put some little floor. Feel me? And then you're straight. You see it. Mango habanero wings with sweet potato fries, of course. Seasoned sweet potato fries, my nigga. Oh, let's try this out real quick. Oh, shit. Spicy, you got this sweet. When you first eat this, you can't even speak right. That's how you know. When you first eat the sauce, when you first taste the sauce, mango popping everywhere. Like, do ratatouille real quick. Close your eyes. You see the mango popping. You see green. You see the orange colors flying everywhere. Then you get that heat. That burning yet subtle yet beautiful sensation.
Sensational.
From that jalapeno. This is fire real quick. Hold on. Don't forget about the sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries. Oh my god.